I'm James O'Brien, and this is the Floor Angel exercise. Here are some of the benefits of the Floor Angel exercise. First off, it'll enhance your shoulder mobility. It'll help you get your hands up overhead with increased range of motion, and so that you don't have to extend your lower back to get there. A lot of people, when they lift their arms up, have to arch the lower back. That's bad. Secondly, it'll strengthen up the back muscles up here, all right? That'll help pull you out of that thoracic kyphosis, which is a big postural fault. Lastly, it'll help strengthen up the lower abdominal muscles for posture correction and just good old-fashioned strength. So let's begin. To do this exercise correctly, you will first need to have learned how to get into the good knees up position with the knees up and your low back flat to the surface. If you need appropriate head support, like a towel under your head, use it. If you don't, and you can flatten your low back down with your chin tucked, you don't need the head support. All right? For this video, I'll use it. To begin, you'll get into the knees up position in a palm up fashion. You'll then flatten the lower back, tuck the chin, and then bring the shoulders back. Then keeping the elbow straight, like as if you're trying to push your hands away from your body, you'll sweep up overhead, keeping the elbows as straight as possible, down into the surface, and then back down. The whole time I'm doing this, my low back is flat to the surface. I'm trying to push my elbows down and keep my elbows as straight as possible. My right elbow wants to bend because it's a little bit less flexible, but I'm making a very strong effort to keep it as straight as possible. As I come up, I'm breathing in the nose and then out the mouth. One more time, in the nose, out the mouth. Each time I come up, I'm trying to push into that tightness. Now, for many of you, you'll only be able to get maybe about to 90 degrees or a little bit past 90 degrees. As you keep pushing into your tightness, and as time goes by, you should be able to get further and further and further. All right? But the key is you can't cheat. You can't allow your low back to arch because then it's really easy to go up, and you can't bend your elbows like this, or you can't take your elbows up off the surface. This is really easy. That's not going to improve your strength nor your flexibility. For some of you, this may cause some shoulder pain, all right? Putting your shoulder into this position can generate shoulder pain. So if that's the case, don't do the exercise. We don't want to fix one issue and cause another. Normally have my clients or patients do about 15 to 20 reps, 1 to 2 sets of these. It's a great warm-up if you're doing any type of upper body exercise, but it's also just good for upper back strength, core strength, and just good old-fashioned posture correction. All right, so that's the Floor Angel exercise. Good luck.